Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I'd like to take a moment and introduce a new series. The series is going to start November, and it's going to be the first Tuesday of every month. It's going to be called Simply Sewing with Laura. Now this series is going to be a great series for beginner sewers or sewists that want to perfect their skills and just have some fun along the way. We are going to start with the very basics and build up. So we are going to be able to cover different machine feet and different machine stitches and making projects and fun things along the way. We're also going to do some troubleshooting. We're going to take that manual and use it to the best that we can, and with it, build our own personal workbook. Now this personal workbook, you're going to be able to put samples in and notes in as you go along, and it's going to be a great personal reference for you for years to come as a great companion with your manual. Now if you don't have your manual, this is still going to be a great series to follow along with. You can also try to find your manual online. Just type in sewing machine manual for, put your sewing machine make and model. A lot of times it'll come up and you're going to be able to print it out and have it usually free. If this is something you're going to be interested in, be sure to subscribe. And also, there's a little button, it looks like a bell. If you click that bell, what it is a notification bell, and you'll be notified every time a video comes out, so you won't miss any. We are going to have a lot of fun, so I do hope you join me for Simply Sewing with Laura on the first Tuesday of every month. And thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. And as always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.